In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to re-enable the HTTPS prefix in Google Chrome. This feature is particularly useful when you want to ensure that your browsing is as secure as possible. Google Chrome tends to conceal certain elements of a URL, including the HTTPS prefix, which stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Displaying this prefix is a subtle yet vital way to remind yourself that the website you're visiting is encrypted and secure. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your Google Chrome browser, and you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice 3 vertical dots. This icon is often referred to as the More menu. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with a variety of options to choose from. Next, you're going to select Settings from that drop-down. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see a list of categories on the left-hand side. Look for the section titled Privacy and Security and select it. This area of Chrome is where you manage many of the browser's security options. Now, within the Privacy and Security section, you'll need to find and click on Security. This is where you can tweak various security settings to enhance your browsing experience. In this menu, you're looking for a specific option under the Secure Connections section. You'll want to locate the setting labeled Always Use Secure Connections. When this setting is enabled, Chrome attempts to load all websites over HTTPS, providing your browsing sessions with a greater level of security. It's not just about displaying the HTTPS prefix. It's a prompt to ensure that a site's connection is secure. Once you've found this setting, you need to toggle it to the On position. If it was already switched off, turning it on will prompt Chrome to re-enable the HTTPS prefix in the URL bar, making sure you're aware of whether a site's connection is secure or not. And there you have it. By re-enabling this feature, you'll be able to see the HTTPS prefix appear in your browser's address bar once again, giving you that extra peace of mind every time you browse the internet. It's a small change, but one that can make a big difference in how you perceive website security. So, whether it's for your personal use or enhancing your understanding of web protocols, this is a simple yet impactful adjustment you can make in Chrome. Always remember, keeping your browsing secure is paramount, and these slight changes can greatly contribute to a safer online experience. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!